of Dubai, the Stem Cell Congress has risen as one of the biggest scientific gatherings in the MENA region. It all began in 2023. A new era of stem cell research started in the UAE. Over the past 3 years, this Congress has become the central hub of knowledge. Year after year, it grew bigger, stronger, more impactful. More than an event, it's an emotion, a hope for the world. The Dubai Stem Cell Congress, where science meets hope, shaping the future together. You don't want to miss out. Register early for Dubai Stem Cell Congress 2026.